How to create Credit Karma account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a Credit Karma account. So let's get started. First, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Credit Karma, just like this. And once you search in, you just have to enter this first link over here, which is the official website of Credit Karma. So once inside here, you can see at the top, there's a login and sign up button. So since we are a new user, we just have to tap on the sign up button over here and it will take you to this page, and make sure you are in the correct country. So as I'm outside of the US, I cannot fill this up. So let me just quickly show you for my example. So basically, when you click on this sign up button over here, you just have to fill up this email and password quickly and click on sign up button. Then you will be heading over to this page where you will simply have to enter your first name, last name, and your primary region. You can also select optional uh, as other option, the option called other. And once you select it, click on continue and you should be redirected to this page where you will have to enter your street address, your city, state, and make sure you enter correct zip code of your address area. And once you fill all of that, just click on continue. And here in the next step, you just have to enter your 4 digits of your social security number and as well as date of birth and click on continue. So once you finally do all of that, you just have to click on this check mark by saying I understand and agree and simply click on continue. And boom, just like that, you should be successfully logged into your Credit Karma account. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.